Hi, I'm Whit from Planet Whit, and today I'm at Flamingo Land in North Yorkshire. And because I enjoy putting too much unnecessary pressure upon myself, I'm showing you as much of this place as possible in 4 minutes. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And that's a Madonna reference, keep up. This isn't a full review. This isn't a true crime and Netflix story into how many spines Hero has murdered. It's just you, me, and we've got 4 minutes to show you as much of this place as possible. Right, time starts now. First up, Sik. The big headline coaster here, 10 inversions, a good looking layout, and this heartline roll shot. The name Sik comes from the fashion brand Sik Silk, not actual sick, thankfully, although I am a nurse so I can deal with most things, except sputum. Anyhow, we've got 4 minutes to save the world. Next, we're going from what some people call the best coaster here to this. Hero. It's a 2013 Zamperla flying coaster. I can only handle it one time a year, and today's that day. Is Hero the worst coaster in the UK? I think my money's still on Soar. At least Hero's got a funny lift hill. Right, time's ticking. Got to run to Mumbo Jumbo. Mumbo Jumbo has a 112-degree drop and once held the record for the world's steepest steel coaster. It's giving Kylie Minogue, small footprint, huge drama. It fits Flamingo Land perfectly. Compact, dramatic, slightly odd, and somehow exactly where it should be. And then there's Kumali, Flamingo Land's suspended looping coaster. It has real presence, and despite Sik, it's probably still the coaster a lot of people immediately associate with Flamingo Land. For a Fagoma SLC, that was smooth. Infusion at Blackpool and the Odyssey at Fantasy Island are both once-a-visit SLCs for me because they're a little bit rough, but I could lap that all day. Not today though, I've only got 4 minutes. Velocity is the motorbike launch coaster and probably my favourite coaster at Flamingo Land. But today it's closed, so I can't roleplay like I'm in Road Rash. Although I could kick someone into a hedge. Serious Whit here, don't kick people into hedges. Not cool. Flamingo Land isn't just big coasters. You've also got family rides, spinning rides, water rides, kids rides, and a splash pad in North Yorkshire. Because why the heck not? This is where the park becomes a bit of a mixed bag. Some of the frat rides look a little unloved. Flamingo 1, not very vast. But there are some good additions too, like Pterodactyl. This is genuinely terrifying. Cliffhanger has a proper drop tower combo energy, and there's always a fun ride. And then they go and ruin it all again with a slightly naff dark rides like Mischief Manor. But we're in a rush, so let's move on to the zoo. Because this park refuses to be easily categorized, there's also a zoo. This is the bit that makes Flamingo Land a bit different to most of the other theme parks in the UK. You can go straight from a roller coaster to an animal enclosure in about 30 seconds. And I think the zoo is one of the strongest parts of the park. There's wallabies, meerkats, ostrich, although it might be an emu, baboons, penguin, lions, but I can't see them today. Giraffes, they are there, honestly, there's a hippo there. Seals. And of course, there's flamingos. You can't really see them though. Can you see them over there? They've got full Joan Collins in Dynasty energy. Elegant, dramatic, slightly evil, and obviously aware they are the main event. No shoulder pads though. A colony of flamingos were among the first animals here, so they helped launch the park, so they have my respect. It's quiet here today. It's mid-May. If you can come along and support the place, please do. Some people say it's quite expensive, but if you book online before you come in advance, it's cheaper. Parking's free. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm being ripped off every step of the way. Work continues on the Lost River ride. It's been 2 years. They're definitely taking their time. I hope it's worth the wait. That's it, time's up. So what does Flamingo Land feel like? It's a theme park, a zoo, a holiday resort, a great coaster resort, and also, occasionally, a not so great coaster resort, Hero. There are bits that impress me, and there are bits, as Shania Twain would say, that don't impress me much. And there are bits that I'm not quite sure what the long-term plan is, but people seem to be just getting on with it. And that kind of sums up Flamingo Land. It's not always sleek, it's not always polished, and it's got a charm that I like. And now I'm trying to find Alice, the car. There she is. So that was Flamingo Land in 4 minutes, somehow. Did I show you everything? Absolutely not. Did I try? Yes, absolutely. If you enjoyed this frantic little tour, subscribe for some more nonsense, and buttons should be down here somewhere, hopefully. And I'll see you on the next one. Get out there and enjoy yourselves.